Now we will introduce the operation of the combination switch. When the key is switched on, push the handle forward. The right turn indicator will flash. Pull the handle backward, and the left turn indicator will flash. Lifting up the handle will turn on the overtaking and emitting vehicles warning light, as well as the headlamp and the high beam lamp light. After releasing, the handle returns to its starting position automatically. When headlamps are required, locate the light rocker switch in the middle position first. Pulling the handle once, the low beam lamps light up. Pulling it once again, the high beam lamps light up. Now we introduce the operation of the windscreen wipers. 0 is the off position. J is the intermission gear. 1 is the slow gear. 2 is the fast gear. When the end bottom of the handle is pressed down, the windscreen washing system starts working. HOWO service trucks are fitted with a manual shift mechanical gearbox. Please shift the gear according to the indicators attached on the shift level. This is the accelerator pedal. This is the brake pedal. This is the clutch pedal. This is the flame out switch, and also the exhaust brake switch. This is a handbrake valve, and this is a trailer brake valve. Second, operation of trucks. Please carry out the following inspection thoroughly before driving. Check whether the main power switch is in off position, and be sure that the main power switch is turned on before driving. For HOWO service trucks, in order to quickly inspect various signal indicators and the driving situation, a systematic self-test device is equipped. The procedure of the systematic self-test is that the key is in position 3, the gear shift lever is in a neutral position, all the rocker switches are turned off, the brake pedal is not depressed, and the washing pump is not in operation. With the cabin door open, hold down the high beam lamp flashing switch for about 8 seconds. Then, the relevant indicator lamps will light up in turn. The meter pointer will swing back and forth repeatedly from 0 to the maximum. The display screen alternates cyclically between the driving screen, input screen, and output screen. Check external lights and that the related lamps are shining in turn. Headlights, front fog lights, position lights, brake lights, reverse lights, rear fog lights, and working lights. If any faults are detected by the system, the relevant fault information will be displayed on the screen. If several faults occur at the same time, they will be displayed repeatedly. Attention! If either the key switch turns off or the engine starts, the system will exit the self-test. Tip the cap up fully and inspect the coolant liquid level of the expansion tank. If the coolant level is too low, refill the specified coolant to the appropriate height. Turn on the key switch to observe the display of the fuel gauge. This is the finish oil. Draw out the oil dipstick. The oil level should be located between the top and the bottom scale lines. If the oil level is below the bottom scale line, the specified engine oil should be refilled. Close the cap tightly after filling up. This is the air reservoir drain valve. Pull it to discharge the water collected in the reservoir.